see.
Did I see a rotten pilk?
Yeah, rotten pilk.
Please, dude. This needs to happen, dude.
Rotten milk is just science. Is she going to be a bridesmaid for Blade's wedding?
Happy heavenly
Call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message. 3-1.
God damn it, dude. She answered like 2 days ago. Dude, I'm calling her again. I need her to sing to Ivy.
Spam.
She hates
spam,
us.
spam.
Voicemail K.
Yo, Elevate, she's saying happy birthday to
Getting
me.
their marriage officiated over the phone. Yo, Egypt is rolling with Bruce Fluffer.
Your call has been forwarded
Dude,
to
she
an
shut her
automatic
phone
voice.
off, dude.
Doesn't like us.
Or she instant hung up, dude.
Most likely.
She instant hung up, dude.
Imagine getting called at 12 o'clock and you're like, fuck that.
No, she's in Cali, dude. It's only 9 there. No, she definitely didn't block me, dude. She
Get ghosted.
You got hella ghosted.
Dude, I just wanted her to sing a happy birthday to Ivy, dude.
Aw, it's okay. You can sing happy
scared
birthday.
her off with the name
I'm doing it again.
Let's see your
With name
voice,
change.
Law.
She definitely hit that decline button.
Yeah, that didn't even ring that last time.
You think they pick
Camel,
up?
you should sing for her.
I know. Elevate. See?
Call has been forwarded to an automatic voice.
Service in the RV.
Wait, can anybody check if she's on the RV right now?
Yes, Camel should sing.
She probably thinks you're the one who looks at her the other night, though.
Nah, dude, I've talked to her.
Man.
I've talked to her like twice since then. Let me check the RV cam, dude.
There is an RV cam? Holy shit.
Trina
It's
Golden.
okay.
Oh, Trina's on there.
Chat can sing for you, Elevate.
Oh, chat could sing. Yeah,
I don't see. Yeah, I don't see her on the
I
RV.
forgot. Chat has a voice
There
here.
used to be a moon cam, but that was just a conspiracy. Fuck that, wielder it. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Ivy, happy birthday too.
You know.
I'm down for it.
Yo, she busy
pretty
Camel.
good.
So she's doing a Step Granny's weekend.
Step
Oh,
Grannies.
You
Someone fucked a robot?
Yo.
Holy shit.
Egypt fucked a robot, yeah.
happy
That
birthday to
happened.
you, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
I tried,
Birthday,
dude.
mommy Pilkers. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Holy
Happy
shit.
birthday to Ivy. Happy birthday to you.
This feels just as awkward as
robot
when
was
they're
Bruce
singing to you
Buffalo.
and you get all the attention in a group of like 10
Jam.
people.
Oh wait.
And it's like, oh shit, they're all singing to me. Do I sing?
Damn,
do I clap?
came
What do I
back
do?
at the very end. Happy birthday to everyone.
Yo, Big Kettle, dude.
Birthday.
Cracked. Big kettle cracked.
It is the end,
Ivy.
but
Now let me see those.
but good timing.
I hate being
You want me to?
sang
You want to
happy
see my
birthday,
toes?
lol.
Is that
Yeah,
TOS?
jam.
To kettle.
That's
Wait,
really
go.
good.
toes? No, Bumpy's gonna be trying to like suck your toes.
Oh, okay, I want
Yeah.
to show my toes then. I don't need no toe sucking yet.
When the whole waiter staff come out of the kitchen with
Yeah.
sparklers on the food and you
Dude,
wish you could hide
You know what was
in.
funny about that, y'all? So at my, cause
In
my friend
mid-game,
celebrated
but
my
if stream
birthday
ends
early on
before I'm
Tuesday.
done. Love you, Camel.
And-
Love you, Ivy. Love you, Chad.
Toes.
Oh, love you too.
She
Thank you.
said not yet.
But,
Camel,
yeah,
you
no,
toad
the
blocker
fucking
LMAO.
restaurant didn't sing to me, but they gave me a cake. And
Below the waist.
I was like,
Toe
cool.
blocker.
Love you,
Didn't have
Josh.
the awkward singing.
It's
And then my
Ivy's
friend
early
sang to me, and I'm like,
birthday.
oh.
Though it's not her early birthday.